Hi, I'm Kristin Omdahl and welcome back to my studio. If you haven't made the Chantilly lace vest yet, don't worry. I have done all of the tutorial videos, I have a pattern to download, and today on Yarn on the Beach podcast, I also showed you a tutorial on all the different ways you can style the Chantilly lace vest. Let's watch it. From a distance, it just looks like a black and white polka dotted dress, which I love. Has like a little bit of a vintage vibe. And when you come up close, you see that they're actually stars, so I thought that was fun. And so I decided to style it with minimal hair, minimal eye makeup, bright red pink lipstick, and my white Chantilly lace vest. But there's more. I wore it in that really unusual way that I like to wear this vest. And I'll just turn around so you can see. Can you see enough, or do I need to stand up? I guess I could stand up. Don't have to be lazy. Okay, if I back up. Okay, so here's the front of the vest and all the way around. And you could even button it here. You could put a button or a pin or a tie somewhere here, and then it really looks like a completely fitted vest. But let me show you, all it is a rectangle. See, so it's just a rectangle and gorgeous on its own. So obviously you could wear it as a wrap like that. You could wear it flat as more of a cropped vest like this, right? So then it's shorter in the back when you do it like this. So front, long in the front, short in the back. Guess the opposite of a mullet, right? You could also tie it. This would be super cute with a fitted dress like this. Well, a fit and flare dress like this. You could tie it, maybe even tie it a second time. You know, once again, the beauty of using a fine yarn that has a ton of drape is that you have the ability to tie things like that without creating a ridiculous amount of bulk. How super cute is that? Love that. Then once you add in a pin or a button or a lacing element, you could wear it so many more ways too. Then obviously you want to wear it as a scarf. You tie it through a couple of times, wrap it around, and boom, you've got a voluminous, towel-y kind of scarf. Let's see, it's really hard without a mirror. Just keep tying, you know, keep wrapping, keep tying. Look at how cute that is. That edging looks like little beads on there. So construction-wise, the pattern has line-by-line instructions and a chart. You start with foundation ovals right down here in the center, somewhere there in the center, and then you work out this way and you work out that way with armholes, and then you end each piece with this beautiful edging that mimics the stitch pattern in the vest. Between the armholes and putting it on like that. The first time might be a little wonky trying. Any questions about that? Please follow the links in the video description below to download the free pattern, to watch all of the tutorial videos on how to make this beautiful vest, and also how to order Be So Fine yarn. Let us make time to create, share, and inspire today and every day. I'll see you in the next video.